Purchasing gold and building a fortune. Gold is definitely the king from the finance world. The more you know about gold, the more effective able you may be to shield your investments. Between purchasing companies' shares to buying raw gold, you have a lot to take into account. Read on to discover all that you should know. Attain a couple of estimate of the need for your gold. Dealer prices vary by store. Getting multiple offers lets you understand what you can get for the gold. Changes in the present price of gold will impact the price you will get. Don't forget to take into consideration the numerous carat values of your respective gold pieces. Don't sell gold jewelry which might be worth more when sold like a designer piece. Always do your research pertaining to anybody or entity from that you are thinking about purchasing gold, and look around for a buyer with a decent reputation. Check out the BBB website online for ratings, reviews, complaints and more. If you get multiple bids from various gold buyers, you are more inclined to have the top price to your gold. Consider selling gold online. Gold trading doesn't necessarily must happen in an establishment with walls. There are numerous places to promote gold online. They'll provide you with a kit where you can send the gold items you want to sell. Once your merchandise is verified, you will get an appropriate payment. Be aware of the going rate of gold before you decide to sell your gold items. This can help you set a good price once you sell or buy. Dealers will ask you for reduced on top of market price to allow them to make some money too. Never sell to an unlicensed gold dealer. Most states require that dealers be licensed when confronted with the buying and selling of gold. Never sell without doing research and verifying the dealer is licensed. Gold money is a popular resource to utilize in gold buying efforts. It can be much like opening a checking account for gold. You only sign up for your bank account, fund it and you will then be assigned gold. The gold physically sits in a bank vault where you're capable to portion it, cash it, or in certain circumstances, redeem it. First kilo gold bullion bars. Use a magnet to check inexpensive jewelry to determine if this consists of steel. Gold along with other precious metals are non-ferrous, so they won't be interested in a magnet. Check the clasp separately from your chain. The magnet test is not difficult and effective for this purpose. Appraise jewelry before scrapping it. This rings true especially concerning pieces that happen to be one of a kind. An appraiser will charge a nominal fee, yet it is an expense worth paying when your piece is different and valuable. An appraiser may know someone that's thinking about your jewelry. You may sell gold by mailing it into a buyer. Even though this process might be easier, you may not earn as much money. You ship your jewelry within a prepaid envelope, and you receive a check. Although this way of selling your gold is convenient, you will possibly not get top dollar to your gold. Some of these outfits compensate you 1/3 in the money to the item than you can receive elsewhere, so be aware. Be sure to choose a solid dealer with a good history. To guarantee your dealer is reputable, seek advice from the Better Business Bureau. Speaking with the BBB will allow you to learn of the complaints a dealer could possibly have. If you locate several complaints, look elsewhere for a gold dealer. Look at the seller's buyback policy. Some buyers charge premiums to resell, but others don't. Discover should it be worth submitting big gold coins or bars to buyers not located in the area. To maintain yourself protected, don't purchase gold only to allow it to remain in the dealer's hands. Will not buy an excessive amount of gold when you're investing. It doesn't create any income like buying bonds and stocks do. Pricing is incredibly volatile. When stocks lose value, gold prices climb. Limit your gold investment to 5% of your respective portfolio. Don't have enough money to invest a whole lot in gold? Begin small instead. Buying smaller gold pieces and coins is a cheaper option to larger gold investments. It does not take too much time to your collection to develop to some considerable size. Don't permit the buyer lump all your gold pieces together and weigh them as a unit. You need to have each carat type weighed separately. This can make certain you are accurately paid for your gold. A 1-ounce necklace manufactured from 18 karat gold, as an example, should fetch a significantly higher price than the usual 1-ounce brooch of 10 karat gold. Take photos of your gold pieces prior to let a buyer inspect them. Also make sure to inquire about guarantees in case the jewelry is lost or stolen whilst in the buyer's hands. This information can be quite a protection for you when you get all of it down and creating. In case you are mailing your jewelry to a buyer, take photos of each piece. You want evidence that you simply sent these valuable things in case it will get lost in either shipping or by the company. It really is especially helpful to take clear photographs of distinguishing or identifiable markings. This includes engravings as well as any other marks that will identify it. Buying gold bars in high ounces is considered the most cost-efficient technique for investing in gold. As you pays more initially, your premiums will be lower and you'll get a bigger return. Unique gold pieces and special gold coins can find yourself holding a better value. When buying gold, you should be aware of purity from the gold prior to you making any purchase. The purest method of gold is 24 karat, which is 99.9% gold. However, 22 carats refers to gold that may be 92% pure. Purity falls incrementally to 9 carats, which means the golded problem is 38% pure and it has been together with another metal. Just before reviewing this piece, you might not have realized all that is put into buying gold. You are better capable of making a determination about fitting gold into the portfolio. Take advantage of the information organized here so that you can invest to your future with gold.
GVMG, Global Viral Marketing Group. Thank you for watching to the end. One-time secret offer. Free web marketing tools giveaway and more. For more details, please click the URL below.